feeling heavy, bloated, or struggling to go in the morning. You're definitely not alone. Constipation is something almost everyone faces at some point. But what if the solution isn't in a pill, but right on your plate? Constipation is a very common issue that affects millions of people worldwide. The good news is you can fix it naturally by changing what you eat. One of the simplest and most powerful ways to relieve constipation and improve digestion is by adding more fiber to your diet. Fiber is the part of plant foods that your body can't fully digest. It comes in two main types: soluble fiber, which soaks up water and forms a gel to soften stool, and insoluble fiber, which adds bulk and helps things move through your gut more easily. When you eat a mix of both types regularly, your digestive system becomes smoother, your bowel movements more regular, and your overall gut health stronger. Here are the top 7 high-fiber foods that can naturally relieve constipation and make digestion easier. Papaya is one of the best fruits for digestion because it contains a natural enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and supports healthy digestion. It's also rich in fiber and water, which can soften stools and reduce bloating. Eat a cup of ripe papaya after meals or blend it into smoothies for a gentle, soothing effect on your stomach. Prunes or dried plums are another classic remedy. They're rich in both fiber and sorbitol, a natural compound that draws water into the intestines and softens stool. Studies show prunes can improve stool frequency and consistency even better than some fiber supplements. Start with 3 to 4 prunes a day and drink enough water to prevent gas or discomfort. Chia seeds are small but mighty. They're loaded with soluble fiber and can absorb many times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance that adds soft bulk to your stool. Always soak chia seeds before eating. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons into water, milk, or smoothies. Never eat them dry, as they can expand in your throat or stomach. Apples are another excellent choice for regular digestion. They contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps soften stool and feeds your healthy gut bacteria. Eat them with the skin on, since that's where much of the fiber is found. Apples are also a great snack that supports both fullness and regularity. Pears are very high in both fiber and water, which makes them perfect for softening stool and promoting healthy bowel movements. 1 medium pear with the skin provides about 5 to 6 grams of fiber. You can enjoy them raw, baked, or blended into smoothies. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are another great source of fiber, magnesium, and water. Magnesium helps relax intestinal muscles and draws water into the colon, helping stool pass more easily. Add greens to salads, omelets, or soups. If raw greens make you gassy, cook them lightly to make them easier to digest. Beans and lentils are the most powerful fiber foods on this list. A cup of cooked lentils or beans gives a huge boost of both soluble and insoluble fiber, helping bulk up stool and feed good bacteria in your gut. They're also high in plant protein and great for overall health. If you're not used to eating beans, start with small portions and rinse them well before cooking to reduce gas. You can add them to soups, curries, or salads. When adding more fiber to your diet, go slowly. Too much fiber at once can cause bloating or cramps. Increase your intake gradually over a week or 2 and drink plenty of water. Fiber needs water to work properly. Try to eat both types of fiber daily by mixing fruits, vegetables, seeds, and beans. Consistency is key. It's better to eat fiber-rich foods regularly than only when you're constipated. To help you start, here's a simple 3-day plan. On day 1, have oats with apple and chia for breakfast, lentil soup for lunch, a few prunes as snacks, and beans with greens for dinner. On day 2, enjoy yogurt with pear for breakfast, chickpea salad for lunch, papaya as a snack, and rice with lentils for dinner. On day 3, try a spinach smoothie for breakfast, bean curry for lunch, and a leafy green salad for dinner. Along with food, remember to move your body. A short walk after meals helps digestion a lot. Most adults need about 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day, but many people get less than half that amount. Increase fiber slowly and always pair it with water. Fiber supplements like psyllium can help, but real foods provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants too. If constipation lasts more than 2 weeks, or if you have pain, blood in stool, or weight loss, see a doctor. To make this easy, keep a jar of soaked chia seeds in your fridge, snack on apples or pears daily, eat beans a few times a week, and drink warm water in the morning. These small habits can make a big difference. Fiber is truly your gut's best friend. It's natural, gentle, and powerful. Start today, and you'll soon notice smoother digestion, lighter meals, and easier mornings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Befitest for more simple, science-backed health tips and natural remedies that keep you fit from within. Your health journey starts with small changes, and Befitest is here to guide you every step of the way.